Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can fix battery percentage is not showing at your iPhones and as well as iPads. Maybe you have a situation that you updated your software at your ISO devices and you cannot get the battery percentage at the top of your devices. Then keep watching full video and follow the simple steps. After that you will all know how to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, open your settings, scroll it up, tap at Journal, tap at Software Update, and make sure that your device has been updated the software. After checking the software update, go back, scroll it up, and tap at Battery. At the top of the screen, you can see a battery percentage. Just turn the toggle on, and like that, you can easily turn off your battery percentage. After turning the battery percentage, if it is not showing the battery percentage, then you should restart your device, and after restarting your device you will be fixed this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.